3 monitor arms from Huanuo. They got 1 monitor arm with just 1 monitor mount, and they got one with 2, and they got one with 3. And we're covering them all. Plus a bonus product that they don't even know we're covering, that we're secretly reviewing. I was gonna get a desk for the video to show the monitor arms, and I saw Huanuo, dude, and I was like, no way, bro, it's Huanuo, and it was super cheap. It was like $100. We're gonna pick whatever monitor arm is best, and we're gonna use that to upgrade the setup, this thing over here, because we're just been using the workbench, but now we're gonna have a nice standing desk instead. Plus this desk has been blocking the Wi-Fi, so not ideal, not ideal. Do you think this small desk would be able to handle a triple monitor setup? We're gonna find out today. All right, single Huanuo monitor arm. Let's see what we got to work with. That's pretty fancy. Wow, we got some hardware. We got the desk clamp. Nice. Okay. Okay, Huanuo, this is pretty fancy. All right, so we got 2 arm chunks. We have 2 clamps. That's nice. Allen wrench with the actual handle on it. This, probably the part that goes in the back of your monitor. I'll take it. God, that's a big base. Look at that. Dang. Okay, so I guess I have to connect the clamps to this with screws. All right, so we got those 2 pieces connected with the screws. Cool. Now we just put this and hang these like on here, like that. And then you clamp this onto your desk. All right. Stick that on your desk and then tighten it. Okay. She ain't going anywhere. So this part goes in first. There's a little screw that you tighten on the side. Done. Then you take the other arm. Nice little Huanuo symbol on that. Check it out. And you just stick it in there. Boom. Dude, this Huanuo desk is a champ, bro. It can at least handle 1 monitor arm. Okay, you have to leave it super tight until you put the monitor on. So let's go get a monitor. We have the part attached to the back. She's on there. UPerfect's such a weird monitor, but it is what it is. Touchscreen monitor on here. All right, so that's the Huanuo single arm. Got it pointed down a little bit. You can click it. Kind of cool, so you can have like set heights and stuff, and you can spin it around. It's pretty versatile. I like it. Now we're gonna go ahead and test out the 2 monitor arm. We're gonna get it unboxed. So see you in a sec. Now we got the dual monitor arm. There you go. A little sneak peek-a-rooney. Apparently we got a similar sort of thing here as the last one. Whoa, it's like a robot arm. You know, like a factory robot. Got another one of those. We got the base, also shiny. I like the shiny. I was worried because I thought I was gonna scratch the desk, but it has some rubber pads here. Nice. Because this is a brand new Huanuo desk. I wouldn't want to scratch this thing and mess it up. Not that you could ever scratch a Huanuo desk. Indestructible. This is the part that goes on your monitor. Clamps, same as the last one. They just hook on some hardware. Why does this come with cables? I'll take it. That's free cable right there. Okay, and then we have the monitor mount for the other monitor, just like last time. And then I'm gonna screw that onto the desk. I mean, that's on there, dude. This looks upside down. This looks the correct way. I'm committing. This looks the right way. Committed. Now this is peak monitor. Second part. Oh, boom, look at that, dude. Now I just need some monitor. So give me just a second while I acquire some monitor real quick. Yeah. It just falls on the ground, imagine. Okay. Whew. That's done. We get that bad boy out of the way. We get out of the way. We got our, what is this? View Edge monitor. Cool. Hey man, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link for this View Edge monitor because it's a 1440p monitor, 75 hertz, and this shit's like $100, bro. View Edge literally has the cheapest monitors ever, and I mean, I literally use this every day, so I couldn't vouch for it highly enough because it's cheap. I love cheap stuff, guys. I'm a cheap, okay? You can see the dollar on my wall. Mr. Krabs is my hero. I really hope this doesn't fall. Imagine, that'd be rough. Okay, let's see if I can actually put this thing down, because this thing's a little heavy, so it should stay. All right. See, I told you the U-Perfect weighs like nothing, so it's kind of a bad example for you guys. But look at how much monitor you can fit on this desk. Huanuo desk. Do Huanuo make monitors, dude? Don't touch it. Hey, that ain't bad. That's pretty good, dude. Wait a minute. From Huanuo. That's pretty sick, dude. I like this one. I definitely like this one. This one's big. Okay, so we're just gonna set up the triple monitor now. I'm pretty excited for that one. If I can find another monitor somewhere around here. My setup has no monitors left. I'm using it all for this. See you in a second. Triple monitor arm. Here she is. Sneak peek. There's a little picture on the box. Let's get it open. See what she's got, mate. This is our last one. This looks like the mount. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and like preemptively put this on the desk. And I'm gonna immediately screw this in, even though that's probably not the right thing to do. I'm just gonna go for it. I wonder if I could just... Test complete. It passes 10 out of 10. This thing goes on, and then you tighten it like, I don't know, say a third of the way up. And that's one arm. Maximum adjustability on that bitch. My God. Step 2. Second arm. Do the same thing. Bada bing, bada boom. Whack. I'm worried for this desk, but it's okay so far. We made it. We out here. Okay. That's monitor arm number 2. And then you put this one on right here. Done. So you connect this to the back of the monitor, and then there's a little slot, and you slide it onto this thing. And then you take a screw and you put it through this hole, and then there's a hole right here, and you screw it. And then you're done. Let's go ahead and get the monitor set up. Monitor number 1. Monitor 2 complete. Time for the third monitor. Okay, now I got monitor number 3, and this one's a curved one. Wow. This is actually my main monitor. If I can remember, I'll put the links to all the monitors that I use in the description if you guys are interested. They're all pretty affordable. Well, the U-Perfect might be the most expensive one, but it's a touchscreen. But the ViewEdge and the Acer are pretty affordable. All right, this thing's kind of crazy. I mean, it's working, but at what cost? My monitors are disgusting. That's pretty good, dude. Surprise, Huanuo desk still standing. That's crazy. It's got 3 freaking monitors attached to it with one single stick. Look at that, dude. Also, I didn't put the like fancy covers. There's like little cute covers you could put in there so it's not so ugly. There we go, see? Looking professional. Can't stop me now. Hold on. Get in there, bro. That's pretty good. And you can tighten it if you don't feel like turning one section, because there's multiple, obviously, turning points. I mean, look at this. It's kind of insane. Dude, with the touchscreen monitor in the middle and everything, bro, this would be peak. None of my cords reach this far, but low key, I like this. I could see myself doing some serious work here. Wait, come back over here. What are you doing? Oh yeah, baby. That's nice. All right, man. Well, that's Huanuo. They got some crazy stuff. They have all kinds of monitor arms. They got desks, apparently. So check them out. Like I said, this desk was like $70, and we're legit gonna use this. And it's a standing desk. I wanna see if the standing desk can support this. On the way out, I'm just gonna test the Huanuo desk and see if this thing can even handle it. Yo. This desk is $70, bro, for real. Took 5 minutes to put together. Anyways, check out Huanuo. I'll leave links. There's going to be a whole bunch of links in the description. Click them all. Buy one of each, maybe 2. Buy 3 monitors for your new triple monitor Huanuo setup. And I'll see you guys in the next monitor arm review. Noodle Nick out. Tech review playlist. Check that out.